morning, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. So you've got an older spa. This can be one with the equipment underneath in like a wooden box or a plastic box, or it can be one with the equipment outside. And you want to renovate it, you want to update it. This here, inside this box, is the piece of equipment that is best to do that. Now, this is a control system for a spa. So let's go through the components here. This is the heater, and it's in 50mm plumbing with barrier units on it, so you can remove it. That's a new heater that comes with this system. This system we're talking comes with a heater, comes with a controller, it comes with a touchpad up on the top, so you got the buttons to drive your spa, and then you can plug in all of the different components that you need. Let's have a look here. This is called an SV Mini. Let's pull this out. You see, you can plug in to the front of this. These are all the different things. It's 230 volt. That's this is in Australia, so it's 240 volt, 230 volts all the time. This is a constant supply point you can plug into. Pump 1 obviously is where you put pump 1 or your circ pump. Pump 2, an O3 or UV. This is where you put an ozone generator. Pump 3, and your blower. So you can see this little controller here can actually run 1, 2, 3 pumps and a blower. That's a lot for a little controller, and these are priced really, really well. So the other thing you're going to want to see is, well, this kit, they don't all come with that, but this kit comes with a light as well. So you get a brand new LED light to stick in. They're quite easy to install, as long as you've got a hole saw that's that size, and that just plugs into the controller as well. And the last little piece of the puzzle, make that puzzle, is the touchpad. That's this right here. So this now gets installed up on top of your spa. You're going to have buttons to adjust your temperature. You're going to have 1, 2, 3 jet buttons. You're going to have a light button. You're going to have a blower button. And this is just okay as you're working your way through your menu. You've got your lights are going to come up here to show you what's going on as well. So nice and straightforward. But this is a great little kit. And it's a catch-all for the spas that have not had a controller in them before. Anything that's had a SpaNet controller is good. The one thing is, in order to keep this legal, you do actually need to have the SpaNet plugs and leads. I'll grab one of those and show you, because they're a special lead, an AMP cord that plugs in here, and you do need that special type, and it needs to be sealed. It can't be open at the back for these controllers. One of the clips, so you can see how it plugs in. This is where the power points plug in. Now this is a SpaNet one. See, it's sealed and not got bare wires. This is more of a standard one. You get this on Balboa and a lot of other kit. These ones, to be electrically legal, need to go inside the box when they plug in, but these have got external plugs. So while it will plug in and fit, the bare wires here are not okay. It needs to be a molded plug just to make it legal for Australian standards. So you can get plugs as well. So if you're going to do a renovation, then it's good to get the light, which plugs in and suits this one, and also to get the cords. Now this one, you'll see it's got just 3 wires coming out of it, so that can be connected up to pumps and blowers. And if you've got a 2-speed pump, we can do that as well, and that cord will have 4 wires coming out of it. So when we order these kits, you've got to specify, you've got to work out how many pumps you've got, how many blowers you've got, and then you can get one of these, which will give you a really modern, good, reliable control system. And yeah, that plugs into there. As you can see, that first one, 1-speed or 2-speed. So lots of flexibility on these kits. I put quite a few in, and they're doing really well. So Nillumbik Pool and Spa Service, give me a call. Have a look at the link in the description. And I can supply you these, send them all over Australia and New Zealand. And we can supply whatever you need in the way of leads, controllers, and so forth. There is a cheaper one too, which will only do, like this does, as I said, 3 pumps, which is quite a lot. If you've only got 1 2-speed or a circ pump and a boost pump, then you can get a smaller, less expensive controller. It looks the same, just doesn't have as many outlets. Okay, good luck. So if you're interested in buying one of these, give me a call and we'll be able to help you out. We supply them at a good price all over Australia.